Hi everyone, here is MCM lock and our lockpick for it. This lockpick comes together with hexagon. Hexagon needs to be inserted in this way. And only after it we enter our lockpick. Notice that when you spin this lockpick without hexagon, then it displaces to the left side and gets stuck. That is, in order to pull it out after that, you need to use something with which you can press the pins and then pull out the lockpick. So to prevent it from getting stuck, you must firstly insert hexagon and only after it the lockpick. So price will be on the website and contacts are under this video.